So I have had my kitchen painted and there's all this mess on the glass window that has been left by the painter. So I am going to use this easy strip spray paint graffiti remover, and let me show you how it works. So all you have to do is spray on the paint that you want to remove from the glass, not on where you think you don't want to remove. And let it rest for a few seconds. Okay. And next we do is magic. I got a cloth and I will clean it like I don't have to put any effort. It's gonna clean so fast, just like that. It's very effective. I just cleaned this window, as you can see. It's very clear, and you can do it too. So use it, and your job of cleaning the paint off will be very easy, just like magic.